In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a text box in Canva, a tool that's become essential for everything from creating social media graphics to designing presentations. Whether you're a long-time user or a beginner, this tutorial will simplify the process of positioning your text exactly where you need it. First things first, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head on over to canva.com. You'll be greeted with the homepage, and all you have to do here is log in. You can find the login button conveniently located at the very top right corner. There's a touch of flexibility here as well. You can log in using various platforms like Google, Facebook, or simply your email credentials. Choose the option that suits you best, and you'll be quickly on your way into Canva's creative world. Once you're logged in, your dashboard is where the magic happens. You have the choice to either create a brand new design from scratch if you're feeling particularly creative, or if you're continuing an ongoing project, simply navigate to the design you want to tweak. All your designs will be readily available for you to choose from. Now that you're back in your design, it's time to focus on the text box you wish to move. Select the text by clicking directly on it, which should highlight the box, indicating it's now ready for editing. The great part about Canva is its intuitive drag and drop feature. So with your text box selected, click and drag it to the desired location on your canvas. This feature gives you a lot of freedom, allowing you to experiment with different positions seamlessly. If you're like me and want every detail to be just right, you'll appreciate the precision the arrow keys provide. Try using these keys on your keyboard to nudge the text box into the perfect spot. It's also useful when your mouse movements aren't giving you the exact control you need, but wait, there's more. Canva has a handy nudge function built into its toolbar. This tool lets you fine-tune the placement of your text box using on-screen arrow buttons for those small, precise movements. It's especially perfect for when you're adjusting within a tight space or aligning to perfection with other elements in your design. And there you have it. Moving a text box in Canva is as simple and straightforward as that. You can now confidently personalize and perfect your design layout to match your vision. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide elevates your Canva projects to new heights. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video useful, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy designing!